Ito, hanap ako ng pagkain, walang food. Ew, look. These are the food that I have. These are leftovers. Leftover food. Yan. Ito yung pasta before. Yan, naka-frozen. So, papalambutin natin ng very light. Let's see. Let's give it what? Protein shake. 2 minutes. Let's see. This is actually a leftover food from last night. So, may timpla na yan. It's already flavored ulam. Ano ba English ng ulam? Food. My son said it's food. But on the dictionary, you can find viand. Viand's probably that's a noun, but if it's a descriptive word, it should be food. This is from our, instead of throwing them away, so makakatipid ka pa kasi kung ibenta mo ito, this would technically cost here like around, how much? I would say around between $4 and $6. Gagawa tayo ng pasta today. Pasta for our supper. Ayan, time is up. Let's pull it out. Yeah, a big toad, that's fine. 2 minutes. Toad na siya. Ito naman. Lagyan natin ng 1 minute, I guess. Okay. So, habang nag-defrost siya or tinuto natin yung leftover food, prepare natin yung kitchen natin. Turn it on. This is brought to you by Salton electric stove. Select the mode. So automatically set to 8, but let's save the electricity. Let's put it into 6. Well, we're trying to get the oil. How can you see my cooking? Oh, how about that? Let's see. Okay, I think that will help ya. Alright, watch me cooking. There. Tapos na yung toad natin. Let's pull it out. Let's see. Oh, it's pretty good. This is actually a seafood with... What seafood? Medyo maalat yan. Random seafood. Let's make the pasta, okay? Right, medyo mainit na siya. Stay put lang kayo. I'm gonna get the wait naman. Let's just put it away. Put a little oil. Put all your leftover food. Stop. Gagawa tayo ng sauce ng pasta. Sabi ng chef ko, hindi ka pa nagluto ng pasta noodles. Sabi mo muna yun. Kasi madali lang yun. Oh, may malaking ano pala, hindi ko nakat. Ayan mo na. Gawa natin yung paraan naman. This one, may giniling, pero timplado na yan. Pero, yan. Alright. Maniti yung pasta natin. Increase the the heat of your pan. Carrots. Pork steak kasi. So, habang nagaganyan siya, what I'm going to do is just before ako magluluto kasi I just have to drop everything into the pan. So, anong nalagay ko dito, I need to put a black pepper. Yan mo na. Walang nagayan eh. Healthy yan. Pag black pepper, maalat na yung leftover food natin. So, mix lang. Ganito lang dito. Since pasta yung gagawin natin, oil again. Used oil pa din yan. So, yan na masama yan sa yan yung conduct. Hindi ako left-handed para makita nyo lang. Yan. Tap. Okay. Yes. Ilan dyan? Let's make ketchup. No ketchup. Alam ko na. We need to put our basil leaves in ketchup. You know what? I'm gonna use tomato sauce. Let's use tomato sauce. Sarap yun. Ito. Yung tomato sauce, para siyang paste. Yan. Natin ubusin. Yung magic natin. Bagalan na yan. Naan na natin yung oil. Since hindi natin naubusin ito, lilipat ko lang siya sa lagayan. You know what? Iyan mo siya. Dagdagan. Tapos, maglagay ako ng konting water. Lagyan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sila yan. Tapos, maglalagay ako ng brown sugar para bababa ng konti yung asin ng tomato. Oops. 1 tablespoon. Ay, 1 teaspoon pa. Of sugar. sauce. I-mix ko lang. Alright. Oil, water, taste. Okay naman. Titikman natin mamaya po. Lasang spaghetti sauce na siya. Smells yummy. More oil. Hindi naman leftover, hindi naman used oil ng fish yan. It's a used oil of a meat. So, okay lang. Huwag mong paghaluin yung meat at saka fish. When it comes to using recycling your oil. It's not recycling, but you are reusing them. Add a little bit of water again. Ayan. So, mas saucy na siya. Tapos, dagdagan mo siya ng pepper ulit. Gusto lang kung ano, ilalagay ko. Tama na ito. This lang pork. Let's try to smash it. Hindi naman siyang gunting eh. Yan mo siyang kasi pang topping center ng mamaya. Pang plating. Ayan. Masyadong malasa. Pakuloyin muna natin. Make it, give it 6 heat. Let it cook. Next time yung camera sa kabila, but anyways, I'll do it that way. Let me taste it. Yummy. Ngayon, para maging social yung pasta natin. Ay, luto pa yung, hilaw pa yung ketchup. Ay, yung tomato sauce. So, add more cooking process. Ayan. Tapos niyan, lulutuin natin yung bibigyan natin ng oil para maging pasta-like talaga siya. Oops. May oil, no? Kapag nagpasta. Kasi, according to my chef, huwag kang maglagay ng oil sa pagpapakulo ng pasta noodles. Dito muna ibuhos sa sauce. Yan. I-blend lang natin yung oil, yung sauce, tsaka yung paste. Yan, medyo luto na siya. Smells good. simmer a little. Tapos lagyan natin ng ano yun? Nasaan yung basil leaves? Saan yun? Ito. Sweet pepper. Tapos may basil leaves. Where is it? There it goes. This is basil leaves. Ayan. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dami. Tinaan natin. Dami susarap. Dami. Pero konti lang yan. Kasi nagbe-base din yan sa volume ng sauce. Smells good na. Gawa ng basil leaves. Pagpadagdag ng aroma yung basil leaves talaga. Hindi siya sunugin. But, all you need to do, parang sinisimmer mo lang yung basil leaves. Ayan na. It's pasta di matzo. Tastes like in Italia. See? That sauce from leftover food. Look, great. Stop muna natin because I'm going to get the luto tayo ng pasta noodles.